Good morning, it's Wednesday, October 17th. Welcome to Bryan High.
T-minus 3 days until kickoff against LC.
There will be a girls basketball conditioning and open gym tomorrow from 3 o'clock to 4:15 for the girls in grades 7 to 12 planning to play basketball. This is for girls that are not still participating in a fall sport. Any high school student interested in bowling this year, there will be a meeting during AA today on the learning stairs.
Attention sophomores. This is a reminder that the Hugh O'Brian Youth Leadership application and essays are due to Mr. Niese's this week, Friday, October 19th at 3 p.m. Application and essays must be handed to Mr. Niese in person. Class ring and class jewelry orders can be placed during lunch in the cafeteria. You will need to bring your order form and your deposit. Extra ordering packets are available in the main office. Also, don't forget to find class ring for the oldest class ring contest.
Attention seniors, today is graduation order day during lunch in the cafeteria.
Have a great day.